Hi and welcome to day 55 of 101 Days of Winter. No fence crap today, so I got to sleep into my usual 10 o'clock. So, yay. Let's get to it. That's today's t-shirt. It's a Lost and Back to the Future mashup. Today's movie is The Hurt Locker. When I first saw The Hurt Locker, it was after it won the some of the awards at the Oscars, and because I usually don't. I used to go into watching the Oscars while having watched all the movies and go, okay, this is who I want to win. But eventually got to the point where I was just like, I can't be bothered doing that. So this was probably one of the years where I started to do it after the fact, and I really enjoyed it. I already saw, as in I knew Jeremy Renner before it, but it definitely opened the door for him in terms of leading roles, so that's good news. I think he's a very good action star, and he also does have some chops with some dramatic kind of leanings. So kudos for him, to him. But yeah, I thought it was a very good film. But yeah, there's not much to go into it because it's one of those films where you'd go see it, and I don't want to spoil anything to those that haven't. Don't want to give any kind of tidbits or clues, but I really enjoyed it. Good modern day war film, and I don't just mean that a modern day. I mean that wars that are being fought today, rather than going back to the old wars like Call of Duty used to do and all that kind of stuff. It's a good modern day war film. So, yeah, so that's it. The Hurt Locker. So I'm off to therapy now. Yeah, I spent the morning talking to Ben and Leanne, which is the girl I went on the date with last year that didn't end very well, but she's a cool chick. So yeah, had to stop recording. People were looking at me weirdly. So yes, we'll be going to my uncle's after therapy because I have some things to print off. And then I'll go home and put 2 of the other videos up online, because I'm putting one up now. But I forgot to basically look up, because each video has a quote from the movie of that day, and forgot to, with a couple of the Japanese films, I have to watch the video, as in pick a quote, because IMDb doesn't do quotes for those movies. So forgot that I had to do that, so obviously I'm waiting till I get home to do that, because could have gone, but I was standing there. Sucker. So yeah. Probably just do the normal stuff in therapy today, because I don't think I have any pressing issues that I need to talk about. So should be something. This will be my last one for 2 weeks, because Melbourne. So here goes nothing. Oh. And I'm also wearing this hoodie for the first time. It's for that hoodie. I guess I am the lone wanderer after all. Currently watching some old wrestling. Don't know what you got there, but yeah, I'm watching some old wrestling. Kinda bored. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm currently watching Symbol. Finally got a quote, just picked one of them. Had to re-download it. I can't find it. I can't find where I put it. I can't find where I put some of my Japanese films. It's not on my movie drive, not on my Jap drive. Don't know where the hell it's going, not on my anime drive either.
And swing on rope like Tarzan. Grab key floating in air. Door opens. Push door open and exit.
But yeah, I still love this movie. Matsumoto is brilliant in it. So yeah, that's my day. So yes, therapy was interesting. Still kind of the whole thing, all the evidence and all the kind of stuff is kind of showing me that I shouldn't miss my ex. And a lot of that kind of stuff. But I still miss her on an emotional kind of thing, so it's a weird kind of conflicting emotions versus logic thing that happens in some of these sessions, but looking forward to going down to Melbourne very soon. Should be a good time. So that's going to be it from me today. Catch us all tomorrow.